Perhaps the most relevant aspect of traditional furniture design is the way it evolves over time. With each generation, classic styling is redefined by present-day sensibilities, honoring the original aesthetic while finding new expression in the current tastes and trends of the day. Welcome to Avondale from Lexington, a bold new interpretation of today's traditional design. Featuring dramatic lines and colorful palettes, the look offers a sophisticated yet casual approach to elegant living. Throughout the collection, Avondale blends design, texture, materials, and color to create rooms that are inviting and approachable. Crafted from maple veneers, pieces are finished in crisp alabaster white with custom hardware and metal accents that sparkle with an eye-catching polished nickel finish. Gently curved drawer fronts feature embossed agathis veneers, giving designs a unique textured look. The contemporary side of Avondale is expressed through the use of intriguing materials, like clear acrylic posts on cocktail tables and stainless steel designs on occasional pieces. Classic profiles are updated with striking geometric overlays on door fronts, and decorative buckles grace the backs of exquisitely tailored dining chairs. Avondale upholstery designs convey a strong transitional vibe, while decorative tapes, trims, and fringes affirm a strict attention to detail. Bold fabric patterns and vibrant colors make a clear design statement against the neutral tone of the alabaster white finish. Piece by piece, room by room, Avondale's fresh approach to traditional design inspires and encourages self-expression, creating spaces that are effortless in their beauty, inviting in their comfort, and reflective of your personal sense of style. Avondale from Lexington Home Brands, today's new traditional design.